Okay, well, I figured something struck me that I should maybe go through some of the work or go through the whole homework. I don't care anymore. Just to kind of make sure y'all are okay with this topic. So here we go. I told you guys to do the evens only. I think. Pretty sure I said that in the video. So starting number two, common denominators are already set. We want to subtract. And remember, you're subtracting the whole group. So it's k minus 2k is 6k, and it's 9 minus 1 is 8, all over 18. Always factoring. You can take out a 2 from the numerator, leaving you with a 3k plus 4 over 18. And then you want to simplify the 2 with the 18, giving you 3k plus 4 over 9. Number 4, same thing, common denominator set. We're adding, so that's easier. Got 4y squared minus 20y all over. I'm going to go ahead and factor the denominator, y plus 5, y minus 5. The numerator can factor a 4y out, leaving you with y minus 5. Y minus 5's cancel, so you have 4y over y plus 5. As I'll continue to say, monomials and binomials can't cancel. Okay, moving forward, Okay, so I'm going to use my knowledge and understanding of the way math worksheets are done and save factoring the denominator until I've dealt with the numerator. So we've got subtraction, subtract the group, v squared. It's got a negative 4v minus 2v is minus 6v. And then the minus sign affects the positive 16, making it minus 16 all over that common denominator that I don't feel like writing just yet. All right, 16 with a minus 6 in the middle. That's a minus 8 and a plus 2. So v minus 8, v plus 2. So factoring 5v squared plus 9v minus 2. I'm thinking, I don't know what I'm thinking. Let's see. Let's just go ahead and factor it. Y'all might need some review on the old factoring skills. 5 times negative 2 is negative 10. Need a positive 9, so that means plus 10, negative 1. Divide and slide. How did we do this? I can't even remember now. Divide by 5. Yeah, divide by 5. Simplify, that's 2 over 1. All right, so we have 1v plus 2. There it is. And 5v minus 1. V plus 2's cancel. V minus 8 over 5v minus 1. Moving on. Number 8. What's my common denominator going to be here? 24ab. Numerically, 12 and 8 is 24. Take both coefficients, not coefficients, sorry, take both variables. And now we need to make each one look right. A over 12b. Well, the 12b needs to become 24ab. So that means I need to multiply that by 2a over 2a. 2a times a is 2a squared. Got a minus sign. 8a needs to become 24ab. So that means I need to multiply by 3b over 3b, giving me minus 3b squared. And I don't think anything factors out of that. So there we go. Okay, number 10. I'm looking. 5 minutes, not bad. Don't want to factor the numerator until the end. I almost just did that. Leave the numerator like it is. All right, so common denominator. First, we want to factor p squared minus 4p minus 45. That's going to be a minus 9 and a plus 5. Okay, second fraction has a p plus 5, so our common denominator is p minus 9, little button, p minus 9, p plus 5, which means this is set, p squared minus 9p. P plus 5, the second fraction needs a p minus 9. So p minus 9, p minus 9. So that's minus 2p minus 18. Let's do that. How do I want to do this? Let's change colors. Parentheses minus 2 times p minus 9. Okay, so that gets me negative 2p plus 18. Negative 2p plus 18. Okay, so p squared minus 9p minus 2p is minus 11p plus 18. Now I'm going to need more space. All over my denominator, p minus 9, p plus 5, and keep going because the numerator can factor. Now we factor the numerator. Don't ever factor the numerator until the very end. So p minus 2, p minus 9, all over p plus 5, p minus 9, and there you go. P minus 2 over p plus 5. Whew. Okay. Let's see what happens. 22w plus 11 over 2w parentheses 4w minus 3 minus 3 over 2w. Okay, so kind of taking stock of what I have in my two fractions. They both share 2w, so we want to represent 4w minus 3. That's my common denominator. So this first fraction has everything it needs. So 22w plus 11. Got a minus sign. Hate these, but whatever. I need to multiply that times 4w minus 3. Yeah. So subtract 3 times 4w minus 3. That gets me 22w plus 11 minus 12w plus 9. That, let's go ahead and clean that up before we write it over the common denominator. So 22w minus 12w is 10w, plus 11 plus 9 is plus 20, all over 2w parentheses 4w minus 3. All right, here's how annoying this is. We do want to factor out a 2, leaving me with 5w plus 10. Over 2w parentheses 4w minus 3. And the 2's cancel. Yes, all the way down to that. So your answer there is 5w plus 10. Wait, what? Oh gosh, I could have taken a 10 out. Dang it. Rewind. Could have taken a 10 out, big dummy. 10 parentheses W plus 2. So now when I factor out the 2 with the 10, that gets me 5 W plus 2 over W parentheses 4W minus 3. All right, let's cheat here. We got 3A minus 2. So this first fraction probably factors into 3A plus 2 and A. That would have to be a plus 4. Let's do a little mental check. 2A, 12A, 14A. Check. Okay, so there's my common denominator. That means this is going to need an A plus 4 over A plus 4. We have addition. That always makes me happy. It's a lot easier. Okay, so common denominator, 3A plus 2, A plus 4. My first fraction is untouched, 8A minus 18. My second fraction is an addition, so don't worry about that. And it's 7 times A plus 4. So plus 7A is 28. Clean it up. 8A plus 7A is 15A. Negative 18, positive 28 is positive 10. All over 3A plus 2. I was just looking ahead to see what was going to happen. A plus 4. This numerator factors off of 5, leaving you with 3A plus 2. Those cancel. I got 5 over A plus 4. This one looks silly. Okay, so we've got a C minus 4 and a 5. Trying to hurry up. They both need the other thing, so my common denominator is going to be a 5, C minus 4. This first fraction needs a 5. It's 15C. 5 times 3C. Minus, this one needs a C minus 4 over C minus 4. That's minus, now let's just write it like that. Minus 2 times C minus 4 gets me 15C minus 2C plus 8. This one wasn't that bad, unless I did something wrong, which is quite possible. 15C minus 2 plus 8. No, it looks right. All over 5C minus 4. And we just leave it like that. We don't need to multiply 5 into C minus 4. Okay, last one. And I've got a minute. Oh, the pressure. R plus 2. R minus 2 is the first denominator factored out. R minus 2. I'm not going to make it. R minus 4. So my fraction, my denominator, let me, before I run out of time, R plus 4. Sorry, R minus 4. Don't work well under pressure. All right, R plus 2. R minus 2. R minus 4. The first fraction needs to be multiplied by R minus 4. That gets you R squared minus 4R. The second fraction needs to be multiplied by R plus 2. It's a plus, so it's plus R plus 2. And I'm out of time. I miss you.